more than friends. I don't want to know the price I gotta pay for dreaming. Oh, even now it's more than I can say. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you?
Testing. Okay. May feedback ako sa kabila. Ayan. Ayan. So magandang gabi everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in on this first year nating live trading for tonight here on Wise Investors PH. I hope you guys had a great New Year, great Christmas. Parang kami hindi kasi binagyo kaming lahat here in Cebu. So yeah, it's a pleasant evening to everyone who are watching tonight. Yeah, let's check it out. Wait, ano magagawin ko? I think I need to share this on Telegram as well. Mga gustong mag-nood. Meron tayong something like that. See you. See you here. Alright. There. So, on my screen, initially, binigyan tayo ng 1% ni Izanagi currently to just today. Galing ni Izanagi, no? So, here's the performance of Izanagi when it comes to the monthly gains. Mas lumilit yung percentage niya kasi lumalaki yung account. Pero kung titignan mo yung consistent gains nyo, almost 20k. 15 to 20k a month on a passive. Yun maganda sa kanya. Lalo na pag nag-drawdown. Yun ang kagandahan kay Izanagi. Napakakatuwa. So 281% at the start of the year. Wala, ay, hindi pa yata 1%. Parang konti lang to. 2022. Wala pang 1%. Pero congratulations sa mga Izanagi dyan. Type on the chat box kung ilan yung percentage ng Izanagi nyo end of the year. Honestly, this is a good news as well. After this live, I'm gonna send yung let's celebrate on your wins because for a while we haven't actually gave a raffle, no? So ikukumpul natin yung and give that to all you Izanagi users. Kung magkano man yon, later natin malalaman after the live. So if you're an Izanagi users, you can actually type on the chat box kung ilan yan. Tapos mamaya i-screenshot nyo lang yung mga gains nyo din. And also good news, isa din yung marami. Honestly, sobrang nabisi lang ako sa Elite Club but definitely ganda rin na mangyayari dito. Okay, let's check it out. The other accounts of Izanagi. Gusto ko rin makita before we go to the live. It's 9:34. Pwede man, tagal-tagal pa naman ng market. 10:30 pa naman, no? Wala pang DST, no? Hindi pa yung DST. This is not my account. This is an account ng isang client. Consistent lang naman yung gains niya, 1%, 2%. Ito, 17%. Minomonitor ko lang eh. Iba kasi naglagay ng milyones. Sabi ko, sigurado ka dyan ha. Okay lang naman. Pero consistent din siya si Sir eh. Natin yung profit ito. Pareho lang, almost. 3.69 account starting November 20. I'm planning to add funds. Honestly, ito din eh. Kung titingnan nyo din, yung mga tinitrade na market ni Izanagi, kung titingnan nyo, hindi, example, Euro USD, tingnan mo wala masyadong galaw. Kaya hindi tayo wala masyadong movement when it comes to the pairs and all of that. Kasi the market also is not moving, it's just plainly just going sideways. Tapos maliliit pa yung peak level. Ang gusto kasi natin yung mga movement na ganito eh. Tingnan mo, NZD CAD. NZD CAD. Wala masyado, tingnan mo. Hindi masyado. Kaya for December, maliit lang yun, maliit lang pero dadalang pa yun ha. Nagtataka pa nga ako, isa dito is hindi masyadong nag-trade. Ito kasi this is a secret na to. 30, I think that's 40 plus of you watching tonight about it. What's good about Izanagi is this one. Okay, paano natin malalaman to? Balik tayo dito. Okay. Yan, nakita nyo to? Ito yung mga economic calendar. May tinatawag dito na ano tawag mo dito? Forex. Nakalimutan ko dito. Sabi, economic calendar news. Yan. Okay. Forex news. Kita nyo dito guys, minsan magkakaroon yan ng news about a certain pair na red flag. At ngayon ko na ito sasabihin kasi start of the year. Ito ka dito, high impact news on Euro manufacturing PMI December. Example, ganyan high impact news January 3rd. Ang gagawin ni Izanagi, hindi siya magte-trade. Hindi niya iti-trade yan. Ganun ang filtering ni Izanagi. Kaya titingnan nyo, yung pangalan ni Izanagi is high IQ filtering EA. Hindi niya, mayroon siyang advanced news sa fundamentals. Pag nakita niya nag-reflect dito sa isang iba-ibang website, madami. Hindi niya iti-trade. Kaya pansin nyo, tinitrade lang yun, NZD CAD, OD CAD lang yata. kasi maraming pairs USD, example, Euro USD, high impact. High impact, odd. Hindi niya siya iti-trade yon kasi may minsan kasi pag nag-spike, mataas yung spread, masi-slippage ka, minsan may mga ganun no. Kaya ginagawa yan, pansin namin, tinitingnan namin, okay, because of the news filtering ni Izanagi, but parang konti lang yung percent trade niya. I-check namin yung impact and events. Ganun pala talaga, no? Talagang sobrang ginagawa niya what is supposed to do. Kaya sabi ko parang ang konti ng pairs niya ngayon. So sabi nga, pag meetingan namin once in a while, bawasan kaya natin news filter. Sabi ko, no, wag na. It's been doing for the whole year. It's been doing good for the whole year, not trading the pairs sa high impact news. So it's really good. It's really good for risk management purposes. That's what I like. That's what I like about Izanagi. Kaya high IQ filtering robot siya. It filters the pairs that it trades. It filters the news impact that can actually alter a lot of uncertainty pagdating sa movement ng Forex. So, I'm happy. I'm happy actually it did well. If you have an idea about martingale strategy, Izanagi is one of those. Okay? The good thing about Izanagi is it's actually trading the same strategy of martingale pero nilagyan natin siya ng maraming filters para hindi siya kung may kilala ka nasunog na sa ibang group when it comes to martingale. On our community, on different communities using Izanagi, wala. For the last year, wala tayong casualty kahit isa for our 800 users. So, I hope and pray for this year it will do the same performance for everyone, and let's celebrate on that, no? Let's celebrate and capitalize on that while the market is tahimik. Yan, yung maganda dyan, no? Kasi sabi ko nga sa'yo, tahimik nga yung market pa yung time na to, yung may mother account natin. Last month was actually $300. Ang average sa mga 400 eh. Titingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung August. Itong August, $800 yung kinita nito. $800. Pero tingnan mo din yung impact pag August. Diba? Ayun, do-draw down ng sobrang lakas. 15 levels. Sakit yan. Pero malaki kinita. Yun yung maganda sa kanya. Pag nag-draw down ng malaki din yung iaangat ng kapital, ng profit. Yun din siya, no? Dito din, nagkaroon tayo November dito isa. Tumalon from 257 to 280. In the span of few days. Pag tahimik ng market, 1% lang. Pero umaangat. Yun ang maganda dyan, no? Tuloy-tuloy lang siya. Maliliit lang, pinapabayaan mo lang. Nakakatawa, no? Okay, napalayo tayo. Ang ganda ng introduction natin. Napunta tayo sa Forex agad. Pero I'm also excited with what the market is gonna give us in the next few days, because the market actually had a breakout. Okay, right now the volatility is tightening at the same time, consolidating. The question is, will the market rally here based on Fibonacci extension, or it will retest probably here? Now another question is, let's go back to the previous January in the past 2 years lang. Sabihin natin 2 years na January. Because if you're part of the elite club since last year, pero alam naman natin yung nangyayari pag January, di ba? Let's go back to the January. Last year, January is here. Malapit na ako. Yun. February, January, and this one. Yan. After the Santa Claus rally, rally yan ng mga few days. Kita nyo dito. Then, yan. Magkakaroon ng correction hanggang Feb. Usually, no? Retest ng EMA 50. This is the 2020. The 2021 was a big one as well. That's the pandemic time, yung 2020 and 2019. Ito. Ayan, kita nyo yung drop na yan, no? January start yan. January, February pass. Pero usually, titignan mo, the market usually corrects on January and February as well. Yan isa natin kailangan tingnan, and even on the third year. If you're gonna go back again, okay, this is January. The market actually rallies nung January 19. Pero kung titingnan mo yung data din yan, ayan, may konting slight corrections. Yeah, February, March, yan. Dito lang. So nagkaroon siya ng May. And yung mga tinatawag nila sell in May, sell on June at the same time. So the question is right now on 2:2, like 2 years, in the past 3 years, 2 years, nag-correct talaga siya. January, will actually do the same. Ako, paniniwala ako dito, yes, malaki yung conviction ko na magko-correct talaga to. One that I notice is divergence. So, may mga divergence na namumuo on the weekly chart. Ayan, may divergence dito. Though tapos na to, may divergence na coming din dito. And also, the stochastics on the weekly chart is also already overbought. Overbought na din siya dyan. No? On the daily chart, if we go back to the daily chart as well, we just need to validate kung magbe-breakout ba to or it will go again retest the previous high. On the momentum per se, di pa natin alam anong sinasabi ng momentum. Medyo uncertain pa ang pinapakita ng momentum ngayon, no? Yan, okay. So let's check. Before we go there, of course, we wanted to check also the crypto. It's usually this is the time for the crypto market. Okay, crypto market. All right. For Bitcoin, kung titignan mo Bitcoin, the good thing about Bitcoin in general is few things. Good thing and bad thing as well, no? Balancehin natin. Yan, okay. Balancehin natin. Una, we actually end of the trend na talaga for Bitcoin on this rally there. Talagang wala na talaga siya. The good thing about it is few things, no? First, it's holding the 46 level. Holding the 46 level, nabasag yung momentum niya ng downtrend. Hinold nung 46 eh. Ayan, kung titignan mo to, ayan. So, I'm actually expecting this will rally further here. I'm actually expecting to rally further here. Kasi if you notice this candle, there's a very, very high wick here. Okay? Sinalo, may sumalo. I'm not sure kung anong meron, pero this is a good news. Suppose dito mag-momentum yan, mabilis na pagsakdo doon. Ginawa niya, finalo up dito ng bili. So right now, what I'm seeing on the sentiment ng Bitcoin is sumasabay din sa sentiment ng US market. Okay, consolidate, tingnan natin. But, okay, do not be overconfident because this is trading below your MA2 moving average 200 on a daily chart. Okay, on a daily chart. And even your momentum is not really that strong enough already to sustain the rally so far. Kaya ngayon, I'm not buying any Bitcoin yet. I'm not buying any Bitcoin, but I'm still waiting for it to go back again on a uptrend or a breakout on this level or a breakout on this level before I buy. Actually, breakout on this level, I would not consider eh. Kasi baka false lang. Ang dami kasing resistance dito sa area na yun. Dami resistance. And kung titignan mo, demand and supply zone. This is a supply zone. Okay, maraming bumili dyan na supply zone. Laki niyan. Medyo malan na siya. And sentiment-wise, ingat pa. Okay, if position trading perspective, I would actually be aggressive on this level here. Kung position trading perspective, dito ako mamimili ng todo. Let's go to the weekly chart before we go to the other. Okay, ito may weekly chart. Ito yung nakakatakot sa weekly chart. Look at this. That's a double top, no? That's a double top, and this is your neckline. Kaya ako, kung bibili ako ng Bitcoin, dito ako sa neckline bibili. Possible ito yung support, magkakalaman kung bibigay ito o magsusupport area. Kaya dito ako gusto ko mag-abang. O most likely, the moving average 100 on the weekly chart. Okay? Kasi baka hindi mag-sustain to si 50 eh. Baka lang. You never know. Tingnan natin kung if the market will actually kumbaga, invalidate my opinion, no? For now, for me, baka hindi mag-sustain kasi nagpa-flatten out na yung moving average mo. Tingnan na natin kung magkakaroon ng breakout. Yun yung gusto kong makita. So far, on Bitcoin, that's why I'm not really aggressive about it, but at the same time, I want to buy if there's a buy signal. Hindi basta-basta bibili lang tayo because nasa support. Kasi Kung ang sentiment nasa support tapos pangit sentiment, bibigay yung support sa yun. Okay? And it actually validate to other crypto as well, no? Kung titignan mo dyan, it's actually showing a downtrend short term currently. Nag-downtrend na yan. So I would, if you're a trader, you would rather go short. No? You would rather go short. On a retest on this resistance, yung mga resistance, you'd rather go short kasi yung sentiment pababa. Especially if mag-rally yung mga momentum, mag-resistance yung momentum, you'd rather go short than long at this moment. So, that's why ako for Ethereum perspective, this is one of my favorite naman din na crypto. It's trading on your moving average 20, which is good, which is very good. But I would like to get it on a very good price action, which is possible on MA50 or this price action if bibili ako. Position trading perspective here and another here. So, dalawang bili possible ko sa kanya. So, kaya wala akong crypto talaga ngayon. Zero. ADA-USD meron dun sa PI ko na hindi ko na halos tiningnan. Isa rin yan na kailangan kong i-manage this year. If you have any pag-usapan natin this year, if you have something that you have learned from last year, what would it be? Baka manood ng mga audience natin, ano natutunan mo last year? Not really from me, but your experience from the US market and even on crypto. Please type on the chat box. I would like to also learn from you on your strategy, the example on your selling or even your buying or your risk management, your psychology, anything that goes into your mind. Please do share it on the chat ngayon. New Year naman. Let's celebrate on that as well. Even it's actually a losing one, basta learning, no? Maganda din may natutunan tayo. Check down natin yung si Sandbox. Tingnan natin Sandbox. I think Sandbox is also ilagay na rin to sa no? Ilagay na rin to sa eToro. Ito ba yung bago sa eToro? If I'm not mistaken. Actually, it's a good chart. Okay, kailangan mo lang dito haluan ng sentiment. It's a very good chart. Why do I say so? Kung titignan mo dito, ayan, oh. Okay, it had a breakout here. It had a breakout here and it's consolidating right now. Yeah, it's consolidating right now with a low volume. That's a very good, no? Yeah. If it is it's gonna be a breakout. Abangan ko to siya. Kung magkakaroon ng breakout to Sandbox. Okay, let's check natin yung weekly chart. Okay. Guys, pag nawala ako, nasa laptop yung backup kasi naghahang yung computer ko. Hindi ko alam kung nabasa pa to anything. For the weekly chart naman natin. Okay. Lagyan natin ng ibang perspective to. For the weekly chart, medyo ingat tayo, no? Kasi sa weekly chart, in terms of medyo into the correction mode siya. Okay, baka yung bumili ka dito ng breakout doon sa sinabi ko kanina sa daily chart. I-take profit mo kaagad. Okay, kasi medyo wala na hindi masyadong malakas yung momentum ngayon. Okay, and then ang isang insight din dito. Wait lang insight. Ang isang insight dito was okay, yung ito, one principle that we have learned all throughout din is una, the longer the consolidation, the higher it goes. The higher the price goes. That's the major rule. Okay? The longer the consolidation, the higher the price rule. Kung continue mo yung consolidation nito is hindi naman ganun kahaba, baka tapos na. Isa rin ng consolidation. Kaya, on the daily chart, maganda yung tsura niya. Okay, it's actually doing a symmetrical triangle pattern. Maybe it wanted to finish first. But on the 1 week view, if it's gonna go a breakout here, make sure if makukuha mo yung breakout na yan, plus i-check mo na tong area na to kaagad. Kasi baka bang nag-breakout yan, mag-false breakout lang at balik dun. So, isang consideration yan na baka mag-false breakout lang. Remember, okay, this is a supply zone. If you're gonna talk about supply zone, every time it hits this area, okay, this area here, nakakabentahan. Hindi naman ganun kalaki, pero may bentahan na nagaganap, no? So, check nyo lang as well, no? Para sure na lang din as well. If magkakaroon ng breakout, trade. Very good to trade tong Sandbox na to, no? Yan, isa. Alright. Check natin ang ADA-USD, then comment on the chat box. Guys, I'm asking you, please let me know if you're also, ano yung mga learnings mo maybe you can learn from you. Also wanted to, our audience also want to learn from you as well. From anong naging lesson maganda na ginawa nyo last year or you want to change for next year. For ADA, okay, for ADA, I'm actually rooting ADA to really position on this $1 area. Hindi pa niya inilalagay doon. Maybe it don't want to go that low. Okay, si ADA. Maybe this one. Ang gusto ko na lang makita kay ADA right now is two few things, no? Una is magkaroon ng breakout dito para ma-sustain yung kahit short-term na movement niya. Or pangalawa, ibabalik niya ulit dito for another support confirmation. Then, pwede ako mag-position. Pwede na ako mag-position trade ulit sa kanya. Okay? But, another insight here is it's also on a bearish sentiment as well. If you're gonna position, medyo hindi ganun ka-aggressive pa at this point. Okay? Same with other like SRP, same lang to. Pare-pareho lang naman sila. Okay. Yeah, I would position aggressively on this level, not on the current level niya, because it really shows a downtrend line so on this chart here, and trading below your moving average 250 na, no? Yeah. Chatin natin to. Okay, if you're also doing Forex, please do let me know on the chat box because meron tayong isang magandang good news because the shadow technique is already online. The shadow technique na filtering naka-on na. Ito yung isang bago natin for our audience, also our community. Okay, the good thing about shadow technique, guys, is ito ilan supposedly ng 28 to eh. Ang gusto natin kay shadow technique is we want to really make a mean reverting pair to go as low as it is. Papasok tayo with aggressive, calculated chart and table, no, that size. Magre-risk tayo ng certain amount naman, example, $2.25 o $50. Ipapasok natin doon. Then, doon natin siya lalaruin on that. So, I've been doing that since November. Few trades lang, no? Few trades lang ginagawa ko. Ba't walang data? Few trades lang ginawa ko, been earning this much. On the few trades lang to. Ilan lang trades ito? History. Ayan. 39 trades lang ginawa ko dito for the stress test. Then, inulit ko siya on a fresh account. Ito yung magic nun. Magic ng shadow technique yan. Yun, no? So, mas ginawa ko siya, mas filtered pa yung ginawa natin kay shadow. So far, I'm trading around 13 trades sa kanya. 14 trades so far. 100% win rate. Oh, di ba? 100% win rate pa ako dyan. Not profit. So with my $500, turn to 1.2. 142% from December 7 to December 31. So, ang ginawa natin ngayon, okay, the strategy is very effective. I-filter na natin lahat ng Forex. Pag may nag-drawdown, shadow technique na natin. And that's what that's what I'm doing right now. So, we actually filtered all the Forex. Lahat. Paano pa nakikita to? Ang problema nito, wait lang. Pinifilter namin lahat, then ila-launch to sa community this month. Ayan, no? Kita nyo dito. Nakikita nyo ba to? Hindi. Ayun, no? So, 27 pairs is filtering the pairs that could actually make at least the shadow technique filter and put a lot size on that filter. And look at the win rate. 100% pa ako dito for this one. Asan dito? Ayan, 100% pa ako dito sa optimize. So gusto ko muna tong i-check para before i-launch is sure na siya. 100%, wala pa akong talo. So wala pang talo. And may ginagawa akong table Katulad ng ginawa ko before na, okay, magkano yung risk mo na money pag ganitong number of levels na siya papasukin? So, yun yung isa nating, huwag niyo sabihin sa mga broker yan. Okay? Okay, because yan, isa yan na mapakagandang gawin. So, dito, yung mga, usually na mga na-shadow technique ko, usually GBP CAD pa. Kasi sina-shadow ko si Valkyrie mismo. Okay, GBP CAD, and may open trade ba to? Wala pa so far. So, tatlo na yung shadow technique ko na account. May mga specific test siya na ginagawa. Hindi virtual yung ginagamit, real money para may emosyon. Lagyan tayo dito, 500. Sige, test natin. Yung magkano yung risk money. Hindi siya all in, ha? Computed siya. So, expect that to happen within the month. Let's go back to crypto. Sorry na palayo, na-excite ako dun. Kasi naka-on na siya today. And kumita na siya ng $20. Yun nga lang, panay level 1 pa. So, wala tayong makukuha doon, di ba? Alright. Ano ba dito? Chill, no? Nawawala. Okay. Wow, sana all. Yun. Yeah, Voxel. Let's go to Voxel. Alright, malapit na tayong US market. Stay tuned. Voxel USDT. It's open at $573. Let's go to 4-hour chart since wala naman siyang laman. It's going sideways. Okay, going sideways. Alright, this is your trend line. Okay, very basic, no? Trend line. If it's gonna go, this is your breakout area here. Nagkaroon siya ng breakout dyan. Nagkakaroon siya ng current uptrend. This is a very, very good something to trade. This is your current resistance level area. Okay, tingnan natin ng 1-hour chart. If the 1-hour chart will give you a buy signal, nasa support level siya, 1-hour chart. Dito ang resistance. Kung magkaroon to ng breakout here, pasok. On a 1-hour chart. Definitely pasok yan. Even the 30-minute chart, it's actually saying, magko-correct pa to. So, possible to, we'll go further here. Okay, below the trend line. If bumalik sa trend line, dito, pasok ka. Okay, or magkaroon ng breakout dyan, dito, pasok ka dito. Opportunity mo yan, dalawang to. So, this is your opportunity, tatlo. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Yan ang mga opportunity mo dyan sa kanya. Let me check my account. Mayroon mga chine-check dito. Nag-trade din ako sa kabila kasi sa FT4. Alright, so there, it's 9. Wala, tingnan natin, wala na mga crypto dyan. Okay, let's check the market. Go back to the US market. Let's go to the, sorry, mali. Let's go to our SPX and sector. Axis, sige. Kasi hanggang 10.50 and 10 naman tayo for crypto. Axis, not this one. Axis. Dito, ito. Tetherus. Alright, for Tetherus, let's go to weekly chart. Okay. Okay, ingat na to. It's currently your good support is here on a weekly chart. Okay. Malakas na support is here around this area, 200 level. Nagso-support siya ngayon currently, short term. Position wise, pwedeng consider for trading ngayon. Pwedeng position trading ngayon. Okay, ang gusto natin makita sa kanya is magkaroon ng breakout. Kasi kung sa itsura niyan, magbabalik yan dito eh. Okay, kung magkaroon ng support dito, pwede ka pumasok. Or magkaroon ng breakout dyan, dito ka pumasok para sure. Kasi means may nabubuong uptrend. Okay, so far, wala. Nasa resistance siya. So, observe. Or around this area here, wala. Chill ka lang. So far sa kanya, no? Alright? So, ngayon, no trade pa yan. Nasa resistance pa. Yan, kung another scenario here is this one. Karoon tuloy-tuloy dito, ibalik dyan, pasok ka. Here. Okay? Yan. Alright, there you go. Wala na, there you go. Ano pa ba? May nakalimutan ba ako? BNB yata. Hindi ko pa na-check BNB. BNB. Yan. By the way, Izanagi right now is actually almost full on the batch for the first batch of this year. Nahabol na nga lang namin eh. Pero anyway. Ito din, no trade pa. Pababa pa lahat. Pangit pa na itsura niya. Yeah, wala pa talaga to. Observe muna tayo kay paano to? BNB, Binance Coin. Dito ako kukuha around this level here. Pabayaan ko muna. Di ba? Check natin, Nasdaq, $11. Gain tayo kay Nasdaq, $11. Okay, it's a good. Ito nakakatawa na part, no? May news about Tesla that's actually met its manufacturing niya kahit tingnan mo may confirmation na dito. Ano niya, bumabagsak na. Inangat ng excuse me. Inangat ng catalyst, binirake out. Speaking of catalyst, look at PSEI. Pasak ng PSEI, oh, grabe, oh. For this year, yung mga analysts expecting 8,000 level daw ang aangat nito this year. Okay, but because of the Omicron scare, thank you Gwyneth Chua. Yan, bumagsak. Oh, bagsak na naman. Below a moving average 100. 7,000. Opportunity to buy low. One of the least this year na sikat is dito Telecom. Ang pangit ng tsura, 5 peso na level kasi may SRO. Diba? May SRO na split deads. Wala, wasak. One of the worst this year. Pero titingnan mo dyan, nag-hold na rin eh. Pwede na rin tingnan. Okay, napalayo ako. Punta ako dun sa aking SPX sector. Tingnan natin ang mga sectoral versus our XPX. Let's go to tech. Let's zoom it in. Okay, pinagkaiba ng XLK sa Nasdaq. Alam nyo ba pinagkaiba yun? Dapat alam nyo yun, ha? Next time. Ayan. Alright, so titingnan natin. Almost same. Matarek ang pag-angat ng tech stocks compared to the SPX 500. So, into the correction mode ang rally ng ating tech stocks. Okay, for healthcare this year, start of the year, start natin July. Yan, para at par. So, at par with our XPX 500. Also into correction. Abang-abang tayo dito. Wala tayong gagawin dyan. Ang nakikita ko talaga material sector eh. Material. XLY, same. We're gonna start from the 6 months onwards. For material sector, for the consumer discretionary sector, tingnan natin kung mag-hold tong area na to. Kung mag-hold tong area na yan, maybe we consider buying because this is actually a possible sideways market. Industrial. Industrial is trading below your SPX 500. And good thing about it, it's actually giving us a insight to, ha? Insight to. Breakout, retest, breakout, retest. Diba? So the industrial sector is actually a very good something to consider at the start of the year, at the start of this year. No? Industrial. Okay, material sector. Ito rin yung sinasabi ko. That's why rooting in for material sector. Look at this rally here. That's a breakout also on that momentum level. Though it's trading below your XPX 500. But if you see the points that I'm actually considering, looking at, it's actually going momentum. So, isa yan. For financial sector as well, going down, look at this level here. It's actually trading below your 6 months prior. It's trading below your moving average. Yung natin to. Nagkakaroon na siya ng downtrend line, maybe a correction. Nangyayari ito, let's see kung mag-hold tong area na to for financial sector. So, ang nakikita din dyan is the materials and industrial talaga so far. Utilities, okay lang yan for utility. And last but not least, your staples. Okay, that gives you a lot of dividends, no? Kasi usually yung staples, they position like utilities eh. If they're expecting a market In the US market or any market, if they're expecting a very volatile market, they position usually a lot on the consumer, ano tawag dito, staples. Staples, kaya nga staple siya, no? Consumer staples. Because it gives dividends, no? The volatility, wala silang pake, but it gives good dividends as well. It's like utilities. Utilities, medyo sideways lang yan. Kaya kung papansinin mo, yung mga Coca-Cola, yung mga, ano pa ba yan, mga Domino's, ano pa ba yung mga, nauna na sila, na-expect na nila eh. Medyo, for me, may late na nga ng konti ito eh. So, isa yan, dapat ito dito naka-position na tayo nung nag-breakout siya dyan. Isa rin ako sa nahuli nito, hindi ko napansin because andun ako nakatingin sa mga rally points. Energy stocks usually really rallies between December because of taglamig. So, but on this glimpse here, kung titingnan natin, medyo nagko-confirm na yung downtrend line niya. Failed retest na yan. A few times a lot, nag-failed retest na siya. Plus, the trend is going down. Downtrend line na yan. So, stay away na from your tawag dito. Energy. Yan. Energy stocks. Last but not least, communication. Let's check at communication. 6 months. Yan. Communication is actually doing good on the nagkaroon na ng resistance pero nagkakaroon na siya ng higher low. So for communication, kung magkaroon to ng magandang trend ang communication, maybe something we need to consider. Let's check at Finviz daw. Ano mga magagandang companies there? Let's go to the chat box for your stock request. We have 30 minutes to check all the stocks para alam natin kung may bibilin ba tayo on the opening later. Okay. So, tingnan natin, nagkakaroon siya ng mga lower highs. Kung magkaroon to ng magandang market, maybe we can consider this the whole week. Ang communication sector. If we're gonna go to the weekly chart, the 2021 year natin, okay, it's actually just retested your MA20. So, that's a very good, kasi it actually just, first time niya retest in 20. Yung moving average 20 na weekly chart. So, isa yan. Dapat nating tingnan kasabay ng XPX 500. So, the question is the communication is one that drives the market kasi nagpapadbagsak ng market is your SPX 500 per se is your energy. No? Energy is one. Second is communication. So, ito lang. Konti lang eh. Yan, no? Twitter, Facebook, MTCH. Tingnan natin. Yan, so far. And mga small caps. Yan, tingnan natin. Alright. So, it's 10:09. The market will open in the next 30 minutes. Let's check your stock request so far. Alright, tingnan natin una ang mga last na binili natin was, ano ba yung last binili natin? Open ko ang aking account. Okay, there's a chat here. Zim. Hey, by the way guys, no, congrats nung mga nakakuha ng ng WDC sa Elite Club. I post this, no? Kung titingnan mo dito, naglagay ako ng WDC September 25 because of good earnings, because of good analyst. Naglalag ba ako? Excuse me. Naglalag ba ako? Pa-check naman. Okay lang ba? I'm still there. Welcome back. Yes, Coach KC. So, thank you, Internet. Okay, thank you. Yan. Yan. WDC. Congrats sa mga kumuha ng WDC Elite Club. So, kaya, very good yan. Very good yung mga nakakuha ng WDC September 25. Nabenta ko na maaga. Hindi ako nakabili dun sa 95% win rate area ng WDC. Ba't nawala to? Tagalin natin na lang itong website. Tsaka ito. Okay, balikan natin sa iba. Balikan natin kay Zim. Nag-lag siya. Yan. Wala. Nag-hang ba ako? Yun. O internet ko. Hindi naman. Okay naman siya. Ayan. Okay. Zim, where are you? Ba't tayo papalabas Zim? Zim integrated. Ayan, maganda rin tsura niya eh. Okay naman net ko. Siguro si Trading View. $10.12. May filter ba ngayon? Check natin yung filter. Yun! Okay. Pinapabili tayo ng Tesla. Send ko lang to sa Elite Club. Yun, okay na. Okay, bibili basta ng Tesla. Meron tayong galing US. Okay. Pinapabili tayo ng Tesla. Pero anyway, Zim tayo. Balik tayo kay Zim. Para masarap i-day trade yung Tesla, guys. Ayan. Okay. For Zim, it will open a good market on the opening, but I would not suggest na medyo late na to. Okay. Magkaroon ng breakout to, masyado malaki yung resistance range. Delikado. So, I would not trade that one initially pa. So far, no? Kaya ba to? Transportation, marine shipping. Well, very good. Very good yung very good yung pick ng sector. May rason 'yan kung bakit yung transportation. Yung nabasa ko sa report. Elite report. 10 NB enable. Yan natin. Pero something to look into yung Zim. Transportation is one good sector for the first quarter. Okay. Enable settings technology package offers resistance not hindi siya wala. Hintayin natin next live mo na lang tanungin ulit. Naked. Kaya si Naked. Sana natipin yung si Naked na before prior. Ako natipin ko na si Naked dito. Dinay-trade ko pa nga. Okay, si Naked. Ano ba to? Consumer apparel. Okay. For our chart tayo. Okay. Naked here. Naked. Tradable. Tradable si Naked. On a 4-hour chart. But mas gusto ko siyang bilhin ulit dito. Pag pumunta sa dyan. Kasi maganda dito kay Naked. Kung magkaroon to ng positive yan, nagkakaroon to ng current uptrend siya. Clone natin para makita nyo. Tradable si Naked, yes. Ayan. Parang niwi. Yan. Mas gusto ko siyang bumalik dito than trade this here. So, pwedeng trade price action ay Naked so far since maganda naman yung opening niya, no? Pwede i-try. On the gap, set order dito 549. Set order 549, 548 area kasi pag nag-gap yan, babalikan niya yan eh. Magkakaroon ng week dyan sa angat ulit. Possible yun. So, pwedeng set order dyan, retest tayo dyan. Kay Naked. Okay. Here's my port. Tignan natin to si Gold. Tignan ko lang si Gold. Gold Barrick. Tignan ko lang to saan pupunta to. Bumili ba kayo nito? Nag-set order tayo nito If you can remember, sinet order natin si Gold Barrick on a breakout. Hopefully, nakakuha kayo nun. Hanggang end of January to ang plano natin dyan no? Yan. Okay. Roblox. Uber. Yan, okay. By the way, yung mga nasa Elite Club na hindi pa nalagyan ng kit, after the live, sendan ko kayo. Chinek lang natin yung mga emails nyo. Kasi iba hindi may send. Yung mga emails na hindi may send, yun yung problema natin eh. Okay. FLSR, Uber. Uber pwede Pwede si Uber trade. Check natin kung kage to. Kung kage si Uber, pwede to bilhin. Check nyo na lang kung pasok sa kage. Pero below 200 pa. May support kasi dito. Ito pwede tong i-test buy. Uber. Pero ingat ha kasi not a good long term. Okay, very not so competitive industry si Uber. Tradable si Uber so far. FSLR, okay. For energy, electric companies, wala na. Tapos na yung gap, pinil na yung gap, no? Wala tayong gagawin so far for FLSR. It's consolidating on this tight range. Medyo momentum EMA 10. So, pababa lahat ng moving ab. Wala. So far, wala tayong gagawin dito. Magandang bilhin siya dito na area. Ngayon, not quite. Kasi nasa momentum pa yung ano eh. Nagmo-momentum pa yung pababa. So, mas malakas yung momentum ng pababa than pataas. So, magkakaalaman ng for FLSR if magkakaroon ng breakout dito. Pwede natin tong tingnan na. So, wala pa. Nasa momentum pa ng pababa. PFE. For PFE, good thing about PFE, meron tayong nakitang continuation pattern here. Okay, and then so far, this is your resistance here. Tingnan natin ang 4-hour chart nito. PFE. Ako, naglalag. Okay. Malakas ang resistance. So, tingnan natin kung mag-hold tong area to, kung ibalik niya dito, retest, then angat, breakout, kunin natin. Ngayon, wag muna. Unsure pa yung itsura niya. Even on the daily chart, no? NKLA. Ito, I think meron pa akong NKLA eh. Meron pa ba akong NKLA? Meron pa ako. I'm down by 23%. Malaki yung nilagay ko dito eh. Nag-average down ako dito. So, trade lang siya, trade. Okay, because of a certain catalyst sa kanya. Alright, for NKLA, nasa support na siya. Pwede itong i-test buy ngayon. For NKLA. Or, if you wanna be conservative more, if magka-hold tong area na to, bilhin nyo. For NKLA. Okay? So, for that. Kasi malakas na siya na support so far. And then, proven. Proven na siya for how many times. So, ngayon, if it's gonna close above this area here, you can go a bit aggressive na here, no? So far, ano siya, okay pa naman sa NKLA. Tingnan natin ang... Okay, also, if you're part of the Elite Club, nag-send na ako ng bagong credentials ng Morningstar. Paki na lang check. Nakita ko rin, sabi ko, alam mo guys, the good thing about the Elite Club, baka pagalitan ako ng Morningstar. Na-access na ng Elite Club to. Akala ko nga 2,000 lang binabayaran ko dito. 3,000 pesos pala to per month. Anyway, mahal pala siya. Pero marami siyang gamit, no? Micro. So, kung may NKLA ka, better magdagdag. Tingnan pala dito. NKLA. Kung trade to or pwedeng investing. Coinbase. Tingnan natin Coinbase. Coinbase, grabe yung bagsak niyan eh, no? Uy, wala nag-share sa inyo ng tinatanong anong learnings mo last year. Ako, learnings ko last year. Okay, learnings ko last year. Mag-take profit talaga as much as possible. 45% discount, fair value. Okay, hindi dahil discounted, magandang bilhin. Isang lesson yun. Okay. Magandang bilhin ang isang company discounted if kumikita yung kumpanya. Okay, so for tradable lang to, hindi to for investing. Do not invest in NKLA, please. Okay, do not invest long term in NKLA. Okay, bad. Tingnan natin, baka naman kasi hindi naman siya pang consistent cash flow. Ibang kailangan tingnan, basahin ng quarterly nito. Foresight or PEG ratio. Tingnan natin ang PEG ratio nito. Baka naman maganda yung company earnings or projection. Pwede naman tingnan ng PEG ratio. Magtutuloy pa kayo downtrend ng Novavax. Grabe bitaw yan Novavax, no? Walang data. So, trade na only. Okay, if mag-profit kayo dito kay NKLA, out na. Micro focus. International PLC. May micro ba sa ano? Wala, LSC, no? Ito, MC Tracker. Walang micro. LSE ba? Na micro? LSE ba na micro? Yung gusto mo makita, sir? Sir... Ano to? Sir Lee Nilo. Micro, NCLA ba? Check natin. Ito, no? Yan, LSE. Okay, for micro, something that we need to double check na. Okay, kailangan nating abangan na to. Retesting the MA200 is a good indicator. And nagkakaroon na ng breakout sa weekly chart. Nagko-consolidate na breakout on a weekly chart. Tingnan natin kung mag-suffice or tumawid ng MA50. Put it on your watch list. Put it on your watch list is a very good idea to. Baka ang tingin ko dito is babalik yan dyan. I-retest tong era na to. Then magkakaroon ng rally. Kung possible. Kung magtuloy-tuloy. Another scenario here is punta dito. Then babalik dito. I-retest. Pag ginawa niya yun, doon na tayo pumasok. If it's trading above 200 level, MA200 na to. The last time it did above 200 was February last year. So, trade below siya. So, another consideration here is hindi naman siya sideways. But it looks like, no? Parang sideways. So, watch list. Watch list to. Okay? Coinbase. May Coinbase. Tinanggal ko yung Coinbase kanina eh. Pag naglag ako stay tuned lang kayo kasi I'm just here. Okay, for Coinbase, let's look at the weekly chart. Wala pa talaga ito, no? This is the IPO area eh. Okay, IPO area is here. Second day is here. Tingnan natin ng first day. Tingnan natin ng first day na to. Ito talaga yung first day. Second day is here. Wala, hindi pa talaga to. Layo pa eh. Latak pa to. Kung tingnan natin dito kung mag-retest pa dyan. Okay, another insight here is kung mag-trade to above this area, pwede, pero hindi pa eh. Wala pa talaga. Pangit pa niya. It's really doing a very good sideways. Magra-rally to. Tatakbo sa bato pag tumawid to dito. Possible mag-rally. Dito medyo mahina pa yung galaw niyan. Pag tumawid to sa area na yan, tsaka sa area na to nag-break out, magtuloy-tuloy yan. First day, second day IPO rule. Novavax, the downtrend Novavax. Si Novavax, guys, usually pag yung katulad nitong pharma, huwag nyo kukunin ng uptrend. Kunin nyo siya pag consolidation. Kasi consolidation, naghahanap yan ng mga catalyst. Pag nagkaroon catalyst, rally. Pag wala na yung catalyst, babagsak. Okay? Isa din yan eh. Isa din na wag kayo masyadong mag-long term na mga pharma. Isa din. Depende sa pharma. May exception eh. One exception is J&J. Ano? Make or break kasi sila. I'm actually working in a pharma, no? I'm working in GSK, no? I'm working in GSK. Taxes Smith clients. I'm working on this company here. I would not do a long-term investment even in the company I'm working to. Kasi para siyang Disney, para siyang AMC. Okay? The company needs to profit more if they actually make more new medicine. So, to make a new medicine, it needs at least 10 years of research. Tapos, hindi lang sila yung gumagawa. Hindi lang yun sila yung gumagawa. Madami. For example, sabihin natin si Pfizer. They're making the COVID vaccine. COVID vaccine. Pagkatapos yung rally niyan, magla-launch yan. GSK, sunod-sunod. May own. So, very nagiging tight, lalo na pag nawala yung So, pag nag-fail yung isang research nila, babagsak, di ba? Babagsak yung sentiment. Fail isang research. So, that's why, let me go back to Novavax. Novavax, no? The one that they had is your COVID vaccine, di ba? COVID vax. So, may possible income sila dyan. Yung maganda yung mga, tingnan mo, kahit may COVID vax, tingnan mo may earnings, oh. Negative. Sa isang buong taon, isa lang sila nag-positive, di ba? So, mga ganitong strategy, kung gusto mo ng biotech, okay? Kukunin mo sa mga support level. Tapos dapat meron kang deep dive na alam sa kanila. Ayan, deep dive na alam ka. So, example ito. Yan. Kunin mo siya dyan. Hindi mo siya kukunin pag nag-uptrend. Kasi hindi sustainable. Diba? Hindi siya sustainable. So, on a daily chart, magsa-stop ba yung downtrend? Ako, I would buy here around this range. Sa ako bibili dyan. Pwede na nga ngayon eh. May buy signal nga ngayon. Test buy eh, no? O, test buy pwede. Kay Novavax. Tingnan may isa ding natin dyan. Yung kay Novavax, no? Yan. Tingnan mo din yung financials. 10:28, the market will open in 2 minutes. Okay, ready na tayo kay market. Financials, Novavax, kahit 32% discount. Look at the basic finance lang na area. Okay. Look at that. Oh, it's not earning. It's really not earning. And operating revenue in billions is negative. Kahit may vaccine pa sila. Nakuha mo yung point ko. Even the cash flow is going negative. On kasi nga they really need a lot of money for research. So, make or break always sa mga pharma when it comes to that, no? Especially they have patency. Patency lasts around 5 years. Meaning, parang ganito siya, mag-iimbento ka ng gamot, itetest mo for the next 10 years, pwede mo siya ibenta solo, without competition, 5 years lang. Tapos pwede ka mag-release ng mga generic. Make or break ka, kailangan mabawi mo yun. Diba? Kung sabihin natin, COVID vaccine, ang dami nilang variant, ang dami nilang iba-ibang itsura. Hindi mo kumbaga, the competition is so tight. Kaya, kung mag-trade mo yung mga ganito, support level ka kukuha. Tapos may ongoing rumor or kwento. Yan. I hope that helps. Okay, the market will open in the next few minutes. NKE, mabilis natin dito. I hope I'm making sense with that. Though, I'm working nga in pharma. But, yun nga lang. Syempre, Okay, this one for NKE. Yes, honestly, NKE is a buy signal for not now. Okay, possible NKE, pababain pa natin to ng konti. Wala pa akong nakikitang buying signal sa RASE eh. Gusto ko magkaroon ng RASE. Tsaka may iniwang gap dito. May iniwang gap si NKE dito. Ayan, So, medyo gusto pang bumaba. Okay, so far. Gusto pa niyang bumaba. Kung bababa pa to further, conservative dito, pwede pa? Or here, for NKE. PayPal. Alright, market is open now. Langya, okay. Sige, let's go. NKE, PayPal. PayPal will open pre-market here to. Tingnan natin si PayPal. Kung magkaroon ng breakout to, bilhin natin ha. This is actually a opportunity. Trade, not investing. Trade, not investing. Why? Pag nagka-breakout to, kahit man lang makuha natin hanggang dito, pwede na. No, i-hold natin pag nagkaroon ng breakout. 15%, 16%, pwede na yun sa akin. Ayan, nagkakaroon na ng higher low. Tingnan natin kung tatawirin. Parang gusto kong bumili ngayon. Tingnan natin sa 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. Okay. eBay. Sana bumalik na yung market na it's supposed to be before, no? Like yung hindi siya yung nag-start at 9:30. Why start tayo? Kasi parang pag open ng market, tapos na tayo ng 30 minutes lang eh. Hanggang 11 lang tayo, no? Ayan. Ako, sarap. Parang gusto kong bilhin to ngayon, Okay, for aggressive buyers, buy here. Support level here. For breakout buyers, syempre breakout dito tayo sa bali natin dito sa MA 54 hours ito. For PayPal, something pwede to. 15%, ang ganda yung gap na yung gandang gap play yan. Tingnan natin. Honestly, pwede nyo na nga test buy ito eh. Kasi nag-base na eh. Ano? Nag-base na siya dito. A wide range base na yung ginagawa niya. And this is down already too much by around 50% from the high. And almost trading below your almost trading below on a very massive support. So isa yan na maganda kay PayPal ngayon. Okay, something to look forward, something to look into, guys. Let's check at Tesla. Kasi Tesla talaga, no? Kahit na grabe yung market cap, umaangat siya ng ganyang kalakas. Ito yung tinatawag na sentiment outweighs all fundamentals. Kahit gaano kamahal siya, premium siya, paborito ng mga tao, alam mo yun, paborito siya ng mga tao talaga. Ganun kalakas si Tesla. Ayan. Oh, 8% up, 8% up. Okay, play natin kay Tesla. Play natin kay Tesla dito, guys, is pababayin natin ng konti. Huwag nating habulin yung tuktok na yan. Ako, I would rather short pa nga this one eh. Tingnan natin to ha. The past 3 minutes, oh, grabe oh. May pera kay short mo yan. Konti. Okay. Ayan. So, hintayin natin dito si Tesla. 15-minute time frame. Let it consolidate on its own there. Hintayin natin sa level na to. Pag nag-hold dito level na to, pasukin natin to. Ayan, for Tesla. May sentiment eh. Lakas sa sentiment. Maganda yung parang forecast niya. Tapos may breakout level pati. May breakout pa tayo na pattern na nakita. Ala, ano ba tong music ko? YouTube, thank you. Okay. Alright, last few natin. Okay, what else? Vail. Ito mga watchlist natin dito. Ito rin, naghintay rin ako ng breakout dito kay Vail. BR. Oh no. Okay, if you see what I see, I can see some buying here. Maganda to ah. Maganda to. Check nyo to. 8 gates oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maganda oh. 8 gates position for BR ah. Check nyo lang. Dito, tingnan natin ang eBay. Tingnan natin ang eBay. eBay, not so far pa si eBay. No buy signal, no lahat. So far pa eBay. Consideration if ibalik nyo dyan. Or breakout here. Breakout uptrend here. Wala pa for eBay. Wala pa tayo titingnan. Salamat. Salamat din po. O yun, so mga nakita natin ngayon, maganda potential is PayPal. If may makita kayong material sector, communication sector, or industrial sector, pwede nating tingnan yun. Yun yung magandang sector tonight na pwede nating laruan. No? Alright, so good thing about it is, wow, TSM is doing good. TSM is doing good so far. TSM, baka magdagdag ako TSM. Yun, TSM, nag-breakout na din si TSM sa katagal-tagal ng panahon. Diyos ko. Okay, TSM, tagal kitang hinintay. Magbadagdag ako sa'yo. Okay, one good principle. One principle. Kasi sabi ko lang kanina, the larger the consolidation, the higher it may goes. Isa lang. Yun lang yung statement sa sasabihin ko dyan for TSM. And this is a semiconductor company. Kapatid ni Nvidia. Kapatid ni AMD. At siya lang ang naiwan. And also Nvidia. Actually, ganda rin Nvidia. Ito talaga ng mga semiconductor na na sector. Galing, no? Yan. Ito pa downtrend. Naiiwan na si TSM kasi. Anyway. Okay, abuli natin. Dadagdag tayo dyan kay TSM. Let's go back to Tesla. Check natin. Takas talaga ni Tesla boy. Grabe, no? 84. Baba ito mamaya. Magpapahinga in a few minutes. Pero possible pa itong mag-rally eh. Yay ka. Okay. Alright, so it's 10:37 in the evening. Let's check at the market right now. Nainan ako mo kung yun. Okay. Check natin what's driving the market. Wala pa, di pa pinapakita dito. 5-minute chart. Sarap yung day trade nito ah. Pag nag-consolidate to, day trade natin. Breakout eh oh. Lupit eh oh. Breakout na sa 5 minutes oh. With a 10%. With a market cap of 1.148 trillion. Trading 10% a day. Imagine. This is bigger than Amazon already. That's how 1.16 trillion. Same with Amazon and Tesla is trading this much. Ganun siya ka crowd favorite. Almost close to mas malaki pa nga siya kay Facebook eh. 'Di ba? Look at the volume, 2.3 million average volume. Malit lang yung volume pa niya, parang sinipa lang oh. The average volume is 23. Wala pa to. Tingnan natin dito. So amazing talaga to si Tesla. Ay pakita yung trade dito eh. LMT. Okay. Oh no. Bad trip yun eh. Let's check out Alibaba. Nagko-consolidate pa rin talaga si Baba. Let's go Baba. Consolidate dyan. Kaya laki ng position ko sa'yo eh. Let's go to, ano ba bang meron ito? INTC. Uwiin ko na lang sa iba. INTC, breakout. Dadagdag ako dito INTC. Makita. Dito na nga lang. Guguluhan ako sa isa kabilang screen eh. Oh my God, dito. INTC, 150. Okay, ingat na lang. Tingnan natin, trade lang ha. Huwag masyadong high position. Si Baba na nagpabagsak ng port ko ngayon. Okay, eBay on the cloud. Wala na. Okay, INTC. Nag-breakout si INTC after dito. May lakas ah. Semiconductor talaga ang nagbadala ngayong taon. CRM, Disney, Beyond, DocuSign. Ito din, gustong umangat. PFE, may PFE din ako. FLSR, parang talagang pangit sa FLSR. Nickel la. Uy, NKLA. Parang puso padagdag. Para maka-exit ka agad, no? OG, mga pangit ko dito. ACB. Nako, ACB. Tagal mo. Pag bumaba ka pa dito, out na kita. Due date ka na. January, end of January yung cut loss ko dito eh. Pag dito nag-cut loss ng January, out na ako dito. Kay ACB ko. Okay. Yan. Alright. So, it's 10:41 in the evening. Let's check at yung bigay ni market ang kanyang itsura. Ayaw pa din ibigay. The before was Tingnan natin ang last week na nagdala ng groups. The 1 week relative real estate. Okay, good. Real estate, utilities, consumer defensive, basic materials, dasya. Ito sinasabi ko. Real estate is another one. USRT. Talaga nasa dividends yung mga tao. Pumiposisyon ng dividends. Volatility is something na they are considering talaga. Ay, nakalag. PayPal yung PayPal. Maganda yung position ng PayPal Something to need to trade. Go Barrick. Disney. USRT. Yan natin to. Oops. Wala pa talaga. Naglalag din ba yun sa inyo guys? Naglalag yung trading view nyo? Ako lang. Ako lang ba? Naglalag? Public storage. Pareho tayo, no? Naglalag din sa inyo. Paano siya, no? Ba't kaya? Dami siguro gumagamit. No? Possible. Yun. Alright. Check this out. Ano pa nga gusto kong tingnan? Ano nga gusto kong tingnan? Yung Docu TSM. Dito is Lemonade PFE. Ano pa? Meron pa kayo nakita? Tunun nyo ako. Kaya natin baka may makita tayo. Public Storage Finance, USRT. Okay. Wala natin USRT. Yung USRT in general. Wala talaga. Ang bagal ng ano. Ito na tayo. Okay. This one, Financial Investment Trust. Dito, check at MA20. Pag nagpunta ng MA20, pwede natin try bilhin. Or, hindi naman to nagmo-momentum, no? Ano ba to? 65B. Pwede naman. Dito, since maganda yung takbo ng real estate, pwede ka pumosisyon dito. Or here. In general. So, pero mas safe sa 360. 360 mas safe to. Ang PSA, public storage. Check nyo yan. TSM, balik ako kay TSM. May breakout na siya. Tingnan natin. Copart. Mga inaabangan din akong companies. Okay. MS. Financial Banks, Real Estate. Financial Bank, Real Estate. Medyo resistance so far. Hindi pa so far. May buy signal siya on the current pero yung overall trend pababa eh. Gusto natin makita nito. Ano ba itsura nito? Ang hirap naman to tingnan, no? Pababa talaga siya. Ang gusto natin makita dito is kung magkaroon dito ng perfect breakout here. On this level here. Then, i-retest nyo dyan, papunta doon. Or, another consideration is magkaroon ng breakout, ibalik nyo dyan. Dito tayo papasok, para sure. Para kuha natin yung uptrend. Merong uptrend line na nangyayari. So far, nagre-resistance siya no? Nagre-resistance pa siya so far. Yan, for that, no? For that perspective. Yan. Hindi natin nangyari kay Tesla. Gusto ko panoodin ng price action nito. Okay, balik mo dito sa gap. So, may tayong gap. Doon tayo papasok sa gap. Grabe yung volatility, ano? Pero possible umangat na ng todo, eh. IMS. Tapos tayo kay MS, no? Same lang din eh. Same lang yung mga pinakita nyo kanina. At ito pwede, no? Ito mako-consider ko to. Mas mako-consider ko to compare sa kanina. Ang confirmation nito isang candle na lang. Pero pwede na to for test buy. Kompleto na yung requirements ko for test buy sa kanya. Let me just pull out more of my indicators daw. Let me just pull out my indicators. Wait lang ha. Okay. Tingnan ko lang para sa daily chart. Para makita natin dito na meron siyang buying signal talaga. Okay, saan yun? Wala. Ayan. Ayan. Ito muna dito ha. Wait lang ha. Dito muna kayo makinig sa kabilang music ng YouTube ko. Lagyan ko na ito ng indicator. Wait lang. Ayan. Diyan lang kayo. Lagyan ko itong ng exponential. Nasa kabilang screen kayo, no? Ayan. OBB. Dapat ang OBB black. Ayan. Okay. Hindi pa siya totally pasok. Baka hindi pa to hinog. Ang tawag ko hinog. Yan. So, price action ang gagamitin natin dito. So, same ng pattern nito. Same yung kanina. We wanted to break out first. Then, saka tayo pumasok for Morgan Stanley. Yan ang ating insight dyan. Pero good na siya. It's trading above MA50 to begin with. So, pwede. CBRE. AMT. CBRT. CBRE, sorry. Yan. CBRE, nasa real estate kayo Medyo late na yung mga real estate. Maganda kunin yung mga real estate sa low Sa low, hindi sa momentum. Like example ito, no? Nandito. Naglalag talaga siyang naglalag lahat ng trading view. Parang di mo. Teka, check ko lang yung Forex ko while naglalag siya. Alright, there you go. Okay. Uy, galing. Nagda-down ng aking Nasdaq. I'm already earning $50 in Nasdaq. Okay. CBRE. Okay. Yan. Wala talaga. Yung mga real estate, yun. Okay, for CBRE, I would suggest kung magkaroon dito ng support. Kasi nagko-consolidate siya dyan. Kung magkaroon ng support dito, pasok tayo. Huwag natin kunin ng momentum. Hindi siya kasi yung mga usually real estate, hindi yan nag-momentum ng todo. Usually, they really go in a healthy trend. Kita nyo yung healthy trend, no? Ayan. Hindi nag-healthy trend. Hindi siya, like, yung in terms of momentum niya, mas matagal yung momentum. Hindi siya ganun ka momentum na tuloy-tuloy. Yung mga malalaking kandila matagal. So, kunin mo siya ng medyo mababa, better. AMC trading below 200, we wanted to confirm another retest here before confirming a buy. So far ngayon, nagre-reject tong 200 tsaka resistance. So hindi siya bili. It's really not a buy for AMC. AMT is American Tower. Mga real estate yung nyo, no? Hindi lahat nasa taas na yung real estate Nasa tuktok na yung mga real estate almost. So it needs to correct first before we buy. Di porket nasa taas siya last week, bibili natin siya. Maganda makita natin nasa support, kaka-breakout lang, yun yung mga ganun. In general, on the whole sector. That's why if you notice on the first part of this program, tingnan nyo yung mga sa sectoral rotation natin, which is what I told you about materials or industrial and even possible communication for tonight. For tonight, no? Yan. TSM, mapangit ang market talaga na. Review natin ang market before we go. Okay, nagkaroon ng false breakout. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Nako, pangit na ng tsura ng Nasdaq. False breakout. Ito rin sinasabi ko kanina, ano bang sasabihin niya? Magbe-breakout pa siya o be-breakdown. It's going on the breakdown area. Medyo not a good sign for the market to do that. Baka magbawas na ako ng aking mga stocks before malugi. Ayan. Anyway, so yan ang isa dito. Medyo ang pangit itsura niya currently. Okay, pangit itsura ng market in general. After the first hour, Nasdaq, I'm actually shorting Nasdaq right now. Hanggang February, naka-short ako dito. Nasa $50 na yung dito yung sa MT4, if you can see. Paano ba ito tanggalin? Ayan. So, expected ko yan eh. Hanggang bababa. Todo. Ayan. Qcom, nako. Ingat to. Hindi pala. Na-close gap pala niya. Qcom, let's check if it's gonna go here again, third time. If it's gonna go here third time, let's go. Kung magkaroon dito ng bounce, then angat, go. Ngayon, wala. No trade pa siya ngayon for Qcom. Wala pa to. Hindi pa to siya tradable. Check nyo rin ha. Alright, so let's go to the Elite Club before we go. Okay, the good thing about in the Elite Club is meron tayong ditong look at this Elite Club. Okay, this is the Elite Club. So the Elite Club actually will give you a lot of tools for your trading. Ang good thing about it is so ito. Yan, that one thing that we are ready offline after the live, nagtatrade ako on my own. So meron tayong premium watch list, transcading business dive, new morning star credentials, lahat nandito na to. Like ito, makikita mo dito. So meron ka nitong list na to. So let me just pull it out kung ano yung itsura nito. I'm gonna give you one sample. Tonight, tonight before we go. Especially para mapansin nyo din anong meron sa Elite Club. So on the chat box, mapapakita ko sa inyo how can you check what is the Elite Club and even the Forex robot before we go. And bibigyan ko kayo ng isang stocks na pwede nating tingnan for the scan ticks ng Elite Club. Yan. Tapos pwede natin ipan-trade yun ngayon. Para doon tayo kumuha. Okay, doon tayo kukuha ng Elite Club. Ganyan na lang gagawin ko every live. Pag-pull out ako sa Elite Club, yun ay day trade natin. Pwedeng gawin natin yun para aside sa may mga watchlist kayo, yun din yung mga gusto pwede natin kunin, di ba? Pansin ko lang, no? Yan, pwede rin. Watch Elite Traders. So, Elite Traders. Let me pull out this one. Yan. Yeah. Okay. And this one. Yan. Sige, check natin. Kasi dito sa watchlist na to, naka-watchlist na siya eh. Ikaw na lang mismo magte-trade sa kanya kasi binigyan ka na ng watchlist. Alright, sige, pull out tayo isa. Ayan. Okay. Sa pera o sa bayong? Okay, so this one, yung mga watchlist natin dito, this is the watchlist for traders. Ayan, watchlist for traders na Elite Club. So, dito, makikita nyo dito, if you're gonna pull it out, meron siyang average return and probability. Example, punta tayo dito, probability. This is usually the top gainers for January as a trader. May 46% nga dito. Kuha tayo ng isang maganda. Ito, good sector. Industrial. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Tapos, abangan nyo na to. BKAY. Meron ba to sa Valkyrie? Tingnan, meron ba yan sa eToro? Yun ang tanong. Tingnan natin dito. BKAY. BKYE. Yon meron si BKYE. Okay. Chart natin. So the probability here, before we go, is for 80%. 80% probability that it will green this month from January 1 to 31. Okay? Tapos, nasa right sector ka pa kasi industrial. No? Kukunin mo na lang siya ng maganda-ganda. BKA, BKYI. So that's one of the elite club. And meron din tayo sa elite club here is what we call, dami kasi dito eh. Dami kong nilagay na benefits. Ginagamit ko din to. Premium watch list. At the premium watch list is a buy date, sell date on a specific day. Sample. Premium watch list. Oops. Sample na lang dito nung last month. Okay, last month. November yata. November. Sige, November tayo para 2 months. Yan. Example, ito yung mga watch list natin nung November. Meron siyang it beats the market, buy date and sell date. Then, makikita mo dito kay Elite Club is mga companies na yan. Example, November is Western Digital. Ayan. 14% target, you can reach. So, actually, kuha niya yan. Si Western Digital, dito. Western Digital. Yan. Diyan ko rin kinuha yung iba. Para may probability. No? Kasi naman dyan, chinart na natin to. November nilabas yung watch. Yun. 32% doble sa binigay ni Premium Watchlist. Hanap pa tayo sample. Skechers. November 15, SKX. Yan, XKX. O, yun. Kita nyo? So, tingnan natin dito. November 15. To. Hindi pa to. Hindi pa to. Kaya ba sell date nito? February pa pala. So, hindi pa. 13% up. Wala pa siya. Agilent is also check natin. Agilent is November 13. November 13 is here. Sabi 13 dito. So ito, hindi pa. So may mga minsan hindi pa siya pumapasok. Pero minsan, pag tinamaan niya sa buy, diretso angat. So far for this one, BKAY, 25% is our average return in the past 15 years. Past 15 years, 20 years statistics natin dito. So BKYE, bio dito natin dito. Hahanapan mo na lang sa buy signal kasi trader. This is for traders. Check natin dito. Dito, tagalin natin yan. Tagalin natin to para hindi mag-Y. At ayaw niyang mag-load. So it's using a statistical scanner as well. Then you are also entitled to use the Morningstar. And meron ka rin isang fundamentals. Ito, I'm just gonna give you free as well. The deep dive analysis on the Elite Club for value investors. Example, business dive review. Okay. Ayan. So, example, Boston Sam. Ayan. Kailan ba to? November. Binigay ko to ng public sa inyo. Meron niyang business dive. Ano yung meron dito? Meron siyang financial highlights na nire-report ko on a video or even on a live. Then, titingnan din natin yung mga current ratio, debt. Ano ba ibig sabihin yan? Ano ibig sabihin ng valuation na to? And intrinsic value, how discounted it is. Then, china-chart natin. So, pang long term to mga stocks pick naman na to ni Elite Club. So, meron dito, meron bago na rin tayo. Once every month, naglalabas tayo ng 2 na deep dive analysis ng mga companies. So, BKAY, let's go. Check natin si BKYI para makita natin ang buy signal. So, our target here, pwede natin gawin tong case study, 25%, 80% probability. So, kahit makuha na natin 12% for BKAY, pwede na. So, look at the current chart of BKYI. So first is its industrial. Industrial is XLI. Tingnan natin ang sector para makita natin kung bakit napunta siya sa Elite Trader list. Explanation lang natin dyan. Ayan, tagal natin to. Ang bagal niya because we're already time. Ayan. Music please. Naglalag din yung ano nyo? Naglalag din? Ano ba to? Uy, naglalag nga yung computer ko. Wag lang maghang. XLI, tingnan natin. Okay. Sectoral muna tayo, sectoral. Currently, the sector is actually correcting. Okay, the sector is correcting, but on a larger perspective, the sector already breakouts. Okay, so the sector in general, in industrial per se, is possible may rally in the next few weeks or the next if this will sustain. That's a question. If another scenario here, if the sector will go sideways here and then magkaroon ng rally forward, that will benefit the whole sector. So tingnan natin, no. So example 'yan. And this is a double bottom. Nagkaroon yan ng one more breakout can really trigger a rally. Okay, let's go to sectoral. BKYI is in industrial sector so far here. Naglalag nga siya. Hoy, maglalag ka na. Ayaw niya talagang mag-key. Sa inyo rin ba? O ako lang? Ayan. Baka i-trade ko to para makita ng case study. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. BKYI. Chart nila lang to, guys. Chart nyo. Ayaw talaga niya. Weird. Yan. Okay. So, good thing about this is the PKYI is actually on a buy sentiment today. Okay, so buy sentiment siya today and yeah, buy sentiment siya today, fairness. Check natin ng weekly chart. Weekly chart muna tayo. Nasa low, pinaka lowest low, less than 30 level support. Tingnan natin dito. Low volume. Pwede. Tingnan natin ng Fibonacci nito. Baka tapos na to sa downtrend. Nasa ano pa? 618. So, pwede talaga. Okay, so this one, rejection, consolidation here. Pwede pala talaga pumosisyon dito. Okay. Ayan. Okay, for traders. So, let me go back to my presentation. Yan. So, if you're actually an elite member, tingnan mo lang dito yung average return. Lagyan mo ng mga 50%. So, example, 12% lang target mo. Conservative ka lang. Kasi in-average lang ni Elite Club yung return niya in the past 15 to 20 years. And then you still have a losing probability of 20%. But the probability of 80% na mag-profit ka for this month is already sure. Kasi 80%, 15 years na to na statistics niya. Tama bakit? Tingnan mo. Saan niya kinuha yan? Balik natin Okay, balik natin. Bigyan natin lang kahit tatlong backtesting. Backtesting tayo tatlong beses. Weekly chart para mabilis. Yan. So ngayon, buy signal siya today. Baka bumili rin ako nito para makita ng live members paano gamitin yung bago nating So backtesting tayo ng 3 taon para makita natin yung probability setting niya as a tool for to November, January. Yan. This is January. Okay, this is end of January. See. Yan, yun. Okay. So it managed to gain around 6% and the highest of 25%. 25% for last year. Another one for BKYI is January is here. Yan, January is here. Then another January is here. 3 taon lang tayo Yun kita nyo, February 3. Ayan. Lakas, di ba? Last 2 years ago, it gained around as much as 125%, pinakamataas. And then it managed to close 67%. Grabe ka Okay, last year, third year, pandemic era. Okay, pandemic era is here. Then nag-close siya ng end of January. Yun, yan. So that's statistics. Okay, that's statistics, guys. So share to your friends Para makita natin. Pwede na, bakit trade ko din to? 97% yung opening to close niya from January 1 up to January 31. So the question right now sa kanya, in-average natin yung 15 to 25 years on this probability. 80% probability. Nag-average yan 25% in general. The question, will it repeat the same 100% pa ngayon 3 years natin, you know? Will it repeat the same pattern or not? Yun yung tanong. Yun yung tanong ngayon. So, that's why here as well, the readme post here on the trading natin dito is only risk 1% of your total capital because we base it on the 15 to 20 year statistics and organized by sector, and we will give you every month na mga watch list. The probability means the stock is open and closed with the green zone, example, January to January 31. And every month, magre-release tayo ng ganitong report sa Elite Club. Kung may labas yung scanner. Yan. So, may mga iba pa dito. So, that's one. So, that's good. But ako mapapabili dito. Tinesting ko lang. Kasi hindi ko naman tagal ko na dinagamit din to siya. Kasi ang plano ko ngayon is yan. Pero maganda yung technicals niya, in fairness. May buy signal siya today. Set order na lang ako dito. Ayan, BKYI. Scrutinize pa natin pati yung morning star nito para sure. Oops, pangit ng 4 hours. Pang 1 day ka lang talaga, boss. Bungi-bungi. Anyway, test buy na tayo para sure. May pera pa naman ako. BKYI. So, 1% is wala pa siyang times 5. Pangit mo naman. BKYI. Before we go. Okay. Yeah. Lag talaga, no? Lag talaga siya. Wala talaga. 1% of 10,000 is $100. Hindi ako dito mag-risk ng mga 120 siguro. Kaya cut loss muna. Cut loss. Aralin natin. Kung bibili ako ngayon, market open here. Dito, 6%. Pwede ako mag-cut loss ng 10%. $100, $10, 1%. Pwede ko ito ilagay pala lahat kasi ano lang to eh. Wala akong pera dito eh. 380. 380. Ito na. Wala akong pera pala eh. So ito lang mabibili ko. Okay. $38 lang, 10%. Pwede na rin. Dadagdag na lang ako pag nag-may close position. So that's it. That's the sample for this one. At least meron tayong industrial. Oh, may material sector pa nga. Bonus na rin, New Year. Tingnan na natin to. eToro, Micronics. Wala yata sa eToro to, sorry. Meron, eTron. Meron ba yun? eTrononics. Grabe, mga weird yung pangalan ng kumpanya. eTrononics. O, tingnan natin eTrononics. Nagpapakahirap pa ako niyan. Tingnan natin dito. Ano yan? New Year naman, New Year. Share natin. Oy, na-excite yung mga Elite Club na hindi pa wala pang tools. Na-excite yung mga taga-Elite Club na hindi pa nasendan ng email. Kasi hindi masend, kasi Gmail file. BKY. Ang tagal ni TradingView. Ayan. Financials. Valkyrie. Ayaw talaga niya mag-chart. Uy, na-excite. Yan. Electronics. Nilalag ang computer ko. Oh no, not good for investing, ha? Not good for investing. Si Valkyrie International na not good for investing. Not good for trading purposes only siya. Ano next? 90% down? Really? 90% down. Tingnan natin. Magkano ba average return nito? 21%, probability of 80% from January 1 to 31. Binigay ko ng mga malalaking value. Ayaw nga lang yung mag-load. Hindi ko natin kay eToro. Ayaw mo mag-load, ah. Market sell price provided information only. Oy! Ang ganda naman ng posisyon niya. Weekly chart. MACD is above RSI. RSI dito. Wala lang tayo makitang iba dito. Weekly chart. We can see a break on the resistance so far. Di. Niloko lang ako. Downtrend pa siya. Wala pa pala. Okay na ba to? Walang lag pa din. Electronics. 1%. In fairness, maganda siya. Maganda yung itsura ng chart niya. It's actually going uptrend already. In the sa first day pa lang to ng market, no? So, tradable to, guys. Alright, pwede to. So, nasa resistance siya currently. Kukunin ko to dito. Ayan. Kunin ko to dito. Ayan, dyan ko kukunin to. Meron tayong nakitang moving average 5 crossover to 50 almost. Something that we need to consider as well. Ganda din yan. So, pag bumaba to dito or mag-breakout yan, bibili ako for eToro. Ayaw lang niya mapakita sa kabila. Naglalag talaga yung computer. Yan. So, that's the two things na pwede nating together. So, that's BKYI and eToro for good sectors in general. So, with that, that's actually a Happy New Year for Elite Club. So, if you're part of the Elite Club, reviewin nyo lang, i-chart nyo ano yung mga pwedeng bilhin. Tingnan yung mga sector. Yung mga sector na recommendation ko ngayon is materials and industrial and staples. So, staples, ang mga maganda ngayon. Utilities, pwede, pero mababa lang. Tingnan na lang dito. Okay? For trading, not for investing. For investing, you can check our premium here. Premium here. Pwede. Ito ka, actually, ito kaya. Late ko na bili si Barrick Gold. Pero may target is 9% here. Also, for yung mga deep dive, ang pang-investing natin sa Elite Club. So, check it out. Elite members for trading. We want to gain as much as possible for this year. Kahit this year can be a challenging for the market in general. Alright, so with that, it's 11:15. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna see you on Wednesday again. After this live, check nyo on Telegram. I'm gonna post something also for Izanagi users. Congratulations sa ating Izanagi users. Magpaparaffle po tayo actually in general. So with that, thank you so much. I'm gonna see you again on Wednesday on this Facebook live natin or on YouTube as well. God bless and have a good night. May the market be with you always. This is John. Goodbye.